Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So I want to show you how to fold very good foil for your moi moi or any other thing. And I tell you, if you fold your foil like this, not even a single drop of water is going to fall out from it. Okay, I'm just showing you, like the other video I posted, someone said can you use an old foil? Yes, if your foil did not tear, of course you can use your old foil. Like this one that I'm using is from the bread I bake on from my pan. I spread it on my fan, so on my pan, so it didn't tear, and I still want to use it for this moi moi. And I just want to show you, it's just for you to fold it correctly. If you fold it well, you are good to go. So as you can see how I'm folding it here, you fold the other side and then turn on the alternate side and fold the other side too. Okay, then at the down part, like the bottom part, you still kind of turn it back and fold it. So you kind of fold in an alternate way. If you fold front, you turn and fold back. I'll still show you another example. Okay, like just watch this one. If you didn't get it, another one. I did like up to 3 examples on this video, so carefully watch and you will learn. This method is kind of very helpful. I did a video the other time, like I mentioned, but it's not as detailed as that. Kind of did it so fast and it run through it. So this one is very kind of helpful if you pay attention very well to the video. You can watch it over and over again so that you will learn it. And when you also want to practice, you can give it a try, like use 1 or 2 to try, and then you try it again. Trust me, you will get it. So onto my kind of new foil. You can still use your new foil. You get the measurement you want. Like I use like 8 inches. Yeah, then you still fold it like 2 equal parts. Like I cut out this one, you fold it like 2 equal parts again. Like on this foil now, you have like 2 foils here looking at you. Yeah, the first one on that table counter, and this one I'm working on. So once you fold it into 2 equal parts, make sure that both of them are 2 equal. Okay, so once they are equal, you kind of press it down like to lock it. You see I've folded this one now from the right side. I fold it, then I turn over to fold the other side again. So this way it can hardly drop and your foil will not lose. Hope you can see. Look at it. Look at how this one is facing, and look at how the other one at the other end is facing. Then on the downside again, you kind of still secure it while you lock the downside, even if though it might not be necessary, but you have to kind of lock it so that nothing will drop from there. Now from that side I'll fold it in an alternate way again. You don't fold like one side, you fold in and continue going. No, you fold, you turn back and fold. You can see it. So that way nothing gonna come out, nothing. Look at it. So, and this is the second one. Still fold, turn back, fold, then go to the bottom side, fold, turn again, fold. You fold it like 3 times on each side, but that bottom side is just once or twice that you fold it, and it will secure it for you. So I made it like this, and guys, nothing dropped. My moi moi pot was just so dry and everybody loved it. So I made like around 12 pieces, so depending on what you want.